Doughboy Recreational has the most trusted line of premium above-ground swimming pools and accessories for almost 70 years. We've earned our reputation as the industry leader in outdoor family entertainment. By starting with raw materials, we monitor all phases of the production process to meet our stringent standards of quality, ensuring Doughboy pools outperform the competition with unparalleled longevity, efficiency, and safety. And they're made right here at home. Our history began during World War I when Domain Industries' revolutionary packaging technology clinched the Army's exclusive contract to rubber seal the K-ration meal units issued to American soldiers, known as Doughboys. After the war, Domain formally named its packaging operation Doughboy Plastics Division and ventured into the outdoor family entertainment market, refocusing its manufacturing capabilities on inflatable splasher pools and accessories. In 1974, Domain sold the division to Hoffinger Industries, which was acquired by its president Doug Hollowell in 2012 and later became HII. Over the years, we have continuously expanded our comprehensive line of above-ground swimming pools, accessories, and maintenance supplies, all while maintaining the same quality, innovation, and reliability that have defined our products since our company's beginning. We know we owe our success to our hardworking and dedicated employees, and we show our appreciation through our ongoing investment in the local communities where they live and work. In our home base of West Helena, Arkansas, we are one of the largest employers in the area, contributing millions in wages and salaries to the local economy annually and supporting hundreds of jobs in the local workforce. So browse our extensive selection for a pool that fits your lifestyle, your landscape, and your budget. Because investing in one of our pools also means investing in local jobs, local economies, and American-made products.